Yeah, you can see we have different size of buckles. This one is one of the smaller ones, so I use this one on female sandals, but I use this big one on male sandals. You can still use this on male sandals or female. So this one for children's, as in kids sandals, and also female sandals. So yeah, we have different ways of crocheting a shoe buckle, but here we teach you just two methods of crocheting a shoe buckle. So sometimes you may see I use one single twine on buckle, or sometimes I use a pair of twine on buckle. So the reason is that some belts may be thick, as in thick very well, but others may be light. So on light belts, I use one single twine on buckle, but on thick belt, I use a pair of twine on buckle. Twines, thick belt means I use 3 twines on that belt, but light belt means I use just a pair of twine on that belt. So in a case when I use a pair of twine on belt, that means I will use one single twine on buckle. But when I use 3 twine on belt, I will use a pair of twine on buckle. So we start. Make your knot. This is the first method. So you hold it like this, and see, then fix your crochet hook like this. Then from the back, yarn over, make one chain, that's it. Then single crochet the same side, single crochet again. This is 2, as I made 2 single crochet this side with the chain I made before. Then this other side I will now make, that's it, 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3. You can see it. So now we have 5 single crochets here. 1, 2 this side, 1 on the middle, then 2 this side. That is 5 single crochet. So the number of single crochet you are going to make depend on the size of your buckle. Like this one now. So I need this one. I did 5 single crochet, but on this I will do just 3 single crochet. 1 this side, 1 on the middle, then 1 this other side, making it 3 single crochet. So but this you can still do either 6 single crochet or even 5 single crochet. It depends on the size of your buckle. Yeah, after making 5 single crochet, you make one chain, I see. Then after that, you're going to take this twine this side. Maybe let me redo it so that you understand. After making your chain, put your crochet hook like this. Take this one, this other side, then pick it and drag it till you have enough twine to work with. Then you roll it on your hand. That's it. Then you turn. So once you turn, you single crochet back. Then when you crochet on the last stitch, make one chain, then you turn. So this is the second row. So continue working on the third row. So you work either 4 rows or 5 rows or 6 rows, depending on how you want it to be. But here I will crochet just 5 rows of single crochet, just 5 rows. Yeah, you can see it. So at the end you make one chain, then you drag it to keep some twine that we use to fix it. Then you cut it off. You can see it. Then after that you take it in. Your buckle is ready. So we are going to fix this inside. So once you fix it, you light it up. Yeah, you can see it. So with this, you can now fix it on any belt or any parts you want to fix it. Yeah, for the second method, you make your knot. Here we are not going to crochet direct on the buckle, so you crochet separate. You make 6 single crochet. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You can see it. Then you skip one stitch, crochet on 5 belt single crochet. Then on the last stitch you make one chain and turn, single crochet to this point. So once you single crochet to this point, you make one chain and turn. So continue working with that till you work 10 rows of single crochet. 10 rows of single crochet. Let's see. Yeah, you can see it. After working 10 rows, you can see. So after that, you leave some twine that we use to fix it. That's it. So we now fix on your buckle. So here we are going to fix this way, like this. You can see. You fix it from the back, like this. Then you count the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you fix on the center of this. You can see it. Then push it back. Yes. So you're now going to fix it like this. So with this, you can then stitch it this way. Yeah, you can see it. So, but if you check this, you can see that this one is thicker. You can see it than this first one. You can see it. So I normally use this method because it saves twine and also light. So most time I use it. But before, I've been using this before I realized that I can make it like this. It saves more twine and looks lighter. That's it. Yes. Yeah, so this is the only 2 method I have for you. Please, if you love this video, subscribe below this video for more tutorials on how to crochet.